Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is Ramadan advertising mockup and Ramadan bag mockup. Total file is 5.11 GB, but don't worry, I will compress for you. And these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime access of this app. All password in this app. Okay. So open advertising mockup. Here is 5 mockup preview window. Import, you can adjust your design. These are color, just preview here. For example, I open this one in Photoshop, waiting Photoshop format. Okay, you see here is a scene, here is effect, here is filter, here is our design photo, and here is other design. You see here two sided, side 1, side 2. You can adjust your own design of Ramadan. Same thing is here. Wow. Okay, next is reading Photoshop format. Okay, these are a advertising mockup, and next is Ramadan bag mockup. Wow, bag 1 and bag 2, same thing is here. Now you import your design here, change color. Here is 2 bag 1 2, same thing 1 bag 1 bag. Okay, very easy. Click on place bag or design here, need your design, import and write anything. For example, I just change color for telling you. Control S for saving. Now, and you see here color is pink. Press Control S for saving, but you can import your design. I tell you just for example. I hope these mockup are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.